nailed it. Actually went to $6.61. All right, so we were off a penny. We had $6.608. Okay, so we came up, spiked that right there, and we're going to take a look at some more targets here, but right there we ended up nailing that. Yesterday's video we were down here somewhere, somewhere down through here, $5.40, something like that, okay? But we ended up nailing it, all right? So let's see what is coming up next here, okay? First off, let's take a look over here. Market cap 68 million. God, gotta love that. I love low market cap coins. I just do. That's where the big gains are. 68,408,000. Volume is down 4.95% at $372,000, and we are number 374. I love low market caps. 10,945,000 coins. Gotta love it. Total supply 14 million. Almost 15 million. So you got about 75% of the tokens in supply, which is fantastic. That's what you want to see. You don't want to see inflation kill you down the road as they release large chunks of tokens. So this is perfect. Looks great to me. All right. Not financial advice. I don't know a lot about this project. I got asked by a member to start covering it. So but the tokenomics look good. The market cap looks great. Everything looks good with this thing as far as I can see. All right, now let's take a look at the chart. Chart looks really good. Let's put a Fibonacci on here and see where we're at. Okay. All right, right up in them areas. 618. Okay, hold on one second. I need my 702 on here. Let's put that on here. We need our 702, 0.702. That one is very important. Green. Okay, there we go. There's our 702. All right, so we have made it through the 618. That 702 is up at $6.77. And our last fib is at $7.44. All right, we get through the 744, then we're looking at higher prices here. Okay, let's take a look at some support and resistance areas. All right, let's go out in the monthly here. We hit the one we just were shooting for. Let's go on the weekly. All right, because that one lined up perfect. The next one up here would come in right about $7.12, and the next one after that would be roughly right about there, 774. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at these RSIs. We got the weekly right at the top here. It's at a 100 and a 100. Okay, do we have a monthly? Yeah, still bullish, a 90 and an 81. The daily's about reset. Okay, so 1559 and 1576. Looks like this could be getting ready to make another run. Oh yeah, the 12-hour is just turning up. The 8-hour is at a 94 and a 75, and the 4-hour is at a 98 and a 99. All right, so your 12 is at the bottom. Your 8 is still coming up, and your daily is about reset. Okay, so looks to me like this thing is probably going to have another push here. All right, now a couple of things here. Is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here? Okay, or is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, that's something we're gonna have to check out here. All right, as far as a trend-based Fibonacci, if we go from the low to the high to the retrace, all right, that looks too low. All right, so let's take the next one up. This one to there to the retrace would give us a target up at 994. What is the all-time high on this thing? Oh boy, it's up there. 192. Ooh, wow. Okay. All right. So if I was a bet man, I would bet that this. Let's see here. I would bet that this is probably your 1-2 right here. Okay. Um, Especially with this daily almost reset. Okay, that daily's almost reset, which is going to push back up. All right, regardless. All right, that's giving us, let's put a target up here. Let's make that a 4, and let's make that red. Okay, that's a full based extension if that is a 1-2 down there. Okay, now regardless, we have very good support down here at about $5.40, and the main area to break here is $6.61. If we break that, then we're heading up to 712. If we break that, then we're heading up to 774. Okay, now very easy way to keep track of this, put a trend line on it. Let's see here, I'm going to get this right. Let's go into 12 hour. Yeah, that might work there. Just go up to this upper level and put your trend line on it. As long as it follows this trend line up, everything is still fine. Okay, as long as it keeps bouncing on this trend line, price should keep going up. Okay, if it breaks through it and comes back and back tests it as resistance and rolls, obviously something's different. But as long as it keeps on this trend line, then price should keep continuing up. All right, especially with this 12 hour just turning up, I'm expecting higher prices. I'm expecting it to head towards that 710 712 area. I would expect it to attack that area next. So GameFly's looking good. Like I said yesterday when we did that video, we were about $5.40, somewhere around there, right down in this area down here. All right, so we've had a nice increase. I would expect it to break that 660 and head towards 712 next. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, right? Got very good support at 542. If it doesn't break it, I would expect that to hold, okay? But like I said, you got the 12-hour RSI heading up. You got the 8-hour heading up. You got the daily just about reset. And this is the big one. That monthly is still heading up. It's at a 90 and an 81. So I'm expecting higher prices out of this thing. All right. Thank you very much, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon, guys.